Song number 16, Leapfrog. In this song, it utilizes the two strings, D and A, where we're going to be crossing our bows from D to A and A to D. So let's get started. In playing position, we're going to prepare our thumb right here at the neck of the violin with a nice space hole inside my thumb, fingers hovering over the fingerboard. Make sure you have a nice V-curved left arm and you have space between the left arm and the side of the body. Our advanced bow hold with the index finger here between the silver mesh and where the black rubber part meets. Middle finger, fourth finger at the square frog. Pinky is resting at the tip and curved thumb inside the bow. I'm going to rest my bow on the D string at the frog near the bridge right here. On the count of 4, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, bow, up, bow, rest, down, bow, A string, up, bow, down, bow, rest, up. Now D string, rest, get ready for A, get ready for D, rest. Let's take this piece and play a little bit slower. And I'm going to ask you to freeze each time we're going to cross bows. So here we go. From the beginning, after 4 beats, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, up bow, rest, down bow, freeze at the tip. We're going to roll our bow to the A string at the tip here. Now we're at bar 2. 3, 4. Up, bow, down, bow, rest, up bow again. Now freeze. You're going to roll the bow now back to the D string. Now we are at bar 3 of this piece. 3 and 4 and down, bow, up, bow, rest, D, freeze. We are at the tip. Make sure you're close to the bridge. Now we're going to roll our bow back to the A string at the tip, as you can see. And we are at the last measure of this piece. Here we go. 3 and 4 and up, bow, down, bow, up, bow, rest. Make sure you rest and then place the violin down back to resting position. Happy practicing!